Airware, a drone startup that has raised $118 million from Andreessen Horowitz, Google's GV, Kleiner Perkins, and others, is shutting down. Josh Constine, TechCrunch. Techmeme. Google says it will shut down Fabric, the mobile app development tool it acquired in 2017 from Twitter, in mid-2019 after it migrates Fabric's users to Firebase. Emil Protolinsky, VentureBeat. Techmeme. Nasdaq to buy Cinnober, a Sweden-based exchange and real-time clearing technology provider, for $190 million. Philip Stafford, Financial Times. Techmeme. Apple's Sept 2018 keynote had half-baked diversity, using women and non-white people as background dressing while every male Apple employee on stage was white. Jessica Conditt, Engadget. Techmeme. Tencent-backed Qutoutiao, a China-based content aggregator, prices its downsized IPO at $7 per share, raising $84 million and valuing the company at $2.1 billion. Eudora Wang, China Money Network. Meeker and three partners are leaving Kleiner Perkins to form a new firm. Sources describe clashes between early and late-stage groups at Kleiner Perkins. Theodore Schleifer, Recode. Google adds support for fingerprint sensors on Android phones and Touch ID on Macs to Chrome 70 beta, allowing developers to use biometrics for authentication. Chromium blog. Techmeme. Twitch hires its first head of diversity and inclusion from Vimeo. Also a new human resources chief and CFO. It now has 4 women in its 7-person C-suite. Lisa Marie Segarra, Fortune. How the Weather Channel and the Future Group used the Unreal Engine to create a stunning depiction of Hurricane Florence's storm surge. Brian Barrett, Wired. A list of 7 employees who quit Google over Dragonfly, including some engineers with up to 11 years tenure, is circulating inside Google. Caroline O'Donovan, BuzzFeed News. A look at Standard Cognition's tech, which uses cameras and AI to track shoppers and what they buy, as it opens San Francisco's first cashierless store. Nellie Bowles, New York Times. NVIDIA says it has launched Project Maglev, an initiative to use its Drive AI platform to enable product development in industries like robotics and healthcare. Kari Johnson, VentureBeat. Techmeme. The FDA cleared the Apple Watch Series 5's heart monitoring abilities based on Apple-backed studies, but mandated Apple label the risks of inaccurate readings. Catherine Ellen Foley, Quartz.